How do I upgrade Pear from 1.4.9 to the latest version? It looks like it might be 1.7.2, but I didn't find any definitive. This is the current version of Pear on the Pear website. I'm trying to upgrade Pear on a system that I'm not all that familiar with. Pear version yields. I ran Pear upgrade Pear and this message was included.
Pear upgrade force, this URL.
The current stable version appears to be 1.9.0.
It's now. Then upgrade the rest.
I am using Debian 8 and apt-get install PHP Pear only installs 1.9. I then found this works. Pear upgrade Pear.
Fresh water.